Today, Scrappz is getting some help from one of the mini makers to make this cute cupcake fish.
Hi, I'm Rosie May, and to make a cupcake fish like this, you need to flatten out a cupcake case and fold it into a half, and then fold it again. And stick it in the middle of the page. Flatten out another cupcake case and then put glue on the edges. And stick it down on the point of the tail. Now we get a big bright sticker. We'll stick it at the top of the body. And to finish the eye, put a black sticker in the middle of the white sticker. Cupcake fish are really great fun to make.
Thanks, Rosie May. What a cute cupcake fish. And you can make any sort of cupcake picture you like.